The electronic configuration of some elements is given in the table below, and the table is given. Identify any two pairs of elements that will react to form compounds by transfer of electrons. B part, write the molecular formula of the compounds formed by the pairs of elements identified in A. Now, first of all, children, we should know about that means P, Q, R, T, U. What are these? Now, in this case, I am seeing that P is, that is inert gas, noble gas. Q is, that is a metal. R is a non-metal. T is a metal, and U is non-metal. Now, they have also asked about identify any two pairs of elements that will react to form compounds by transfer of electrons. Now, you should know the meaning of transfer of electrons. That means which bonding it is ionic bonding, because it is showing that is transfer of electrons according to the demand in the question. Now, you know it also that ionic bonding means what? That means we should have one metal and other we should have non-metal. So, how the this transfer of electrons, that is how the pairing will be shown. So that means one metal and one non-metal. So we will choose out of these one metal and non-metal, and we will do the pairing. So now according to this, now we have understood that Q and T, that means it's a metal, lose electrons. Ru, that is it will gain electrons because non-metal, it comes in the category of non-metals. Now the pairing, how the pairing will take place, that is metal Q will react with, that means the pairing will be formed with R. So this is QR, and this Q will also form a pairing with U. And again one more pairing, two more pairings rather we will have, that is T will pair with R over here and T will also pair with U. So it is here. So we have four pairing over here. No matter it is asked two pairing in the question. So but we have four pairing. So we should know this. After this, children, in the second B part, they have also asked, write the molecular formula of the compounds formed by the pairs of elements identified in A. Now, we should also know that molecular formula means what? That is chemical formula. And we have to show the chemical formula or the molecular formula with the help of crisscross method. And we should also know about the valencies. Now, what we will do? Now, I have put up over here as Q, and Q is having what valency? That is +1. Over here I have written. And R is also having valency, that is -2, and I have written over here. Now I have shown the crisscross method, and then this is Q2R. Over here, children, I would like to add up that R is having -2. Why is it so? Because it's a non-metal, and then 6 minus 8, that is -2. You know that. Now again T is what? That is a metal. I put it over here as +2 valency. R is what, children? That is 2, 6 is the electronic configuration of R, so -2. So I will get the chemical formula as TR. And similar Q is what, bache? That is 2881. It's a metal, so the valency will be +1. And U is what? U is 287, that is chlorine, and the valency will be -1. So QU. Same is the case with TU, that is TU2. Why? Because T is having what? +2 valency, and U is having what? -1 valency. And then crisscross method, and then we get the formula as TU2.